All right, so the ways the tech psychos that hack the cochlear implant speakers, they're able to maintain somewhat of like a, they're able to maintain scariness based off stuff that people don't understand. So, essentially what those people have are cochlear implants with no exterior hardware that's wirelessly recharged with the use of the natural microphone of the middle ear rather than the skull-mounted sensor. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the psychos that essentially utilize those to build psycho control over people through fear. So they listen to sound. Think about it like this. Anybody can hear their own, like, you can hear what your mouth's doing. And so those speakers can also hear what your mouth is doing. Okay? So this is where I found these people that were, there's like seemingly impossible ways that people reach out and they talk in your speaker about knowing about certain stuff that they could never know about. They have people who make fear control research that essentially they do sound analyzation of what your mouth sounds like, and that then they build a series of boilerplate audios to sounds that your mouth makes that have a high probability of chewing something specific. Sunflower seeds. This is where I had seen basically sunflower seeds. See, you can tell by sound when you crack a sunflower seed and when you eat just the seed. You can. It has a specific sound to it. The chewing of just the seed inside without the shell. And so then if you start chewing the shell, then they have a different audio of that. And that's an example. That's an example of how they use sound to make people fearful of their presence in your speaker. And that then they're not smart enough to realize that a scientist is able to comprehend that stuff. See, anything that a stupid pedophile does will easily be explainable in under 3 minutes and 33 seconds. I'm gonna let it get to that.